Hey besties. So I decided to call you guys besties because Skinnies was already taken by stupid Twitter locals. I know, cries in Skinny. But them, am I right? Ha ha ha. So today I'll be doing my motherfucking makeup. WTFFFFF. What is a broomstick doing on my eyes? That's literally the shittiest makeup look I've done in my gay-ass life, but I promise you I'm a makeup artist. So I already put orange concealers on. Now I'm going to use this super expensive foundation that my sugar daddy bought me because it's $50. Just kidding. I bought this myself. I don't think I can stomach sleeping with an old-ass dude that looks like a raisin. I'm mixing that with the Too Faced Peach foundation along with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The cap is broken. You know what happened to it? It fell. Now I'm using blending brush to blend the foundation through my bad side of my face, also known as the whole face. Swoosh swoosh. Swoosh swoosh swoosh. More swoosh swoosh. Oh shit, I think I forgot to wash this brush. Oh well, guess I'll have pimples tomorrow. YOLO. Now I'm blending this with a beauty blender, in a dabbing motion, so it looks super airbrushed and nice. Holy shit balls in the asshole. I just saw a really hot guy drive past by me. I need help. I think I'm gonna die. Ew, pimple. It was probably caused by that brush. Uck. Oh yes, hunty. This bitch is full coverage. Wow, I'm shooketh. I like using full coverage foundation cause it makes me look like a whole different person. I could rob a store and bitches will never know who robbed them once I take my makeup off. Ha ha ha, same goes for my Tinder dates. They'll never know it was this they were sleeping with. Oopsies. Tricking guys are so much fun, as long as they don't have a gun with them. Holy shit, Grandma, stop popping out of nowhere and scaring me. Oh look, my mother. Now I'm gonna use this Cover FX concealer to cover up all that's left on my face. I wonder what she's looking at. She looks so sad. Maybe she wants her makeup done. That'll be the first time I'll ever do a dinosaur's makeup, I mean my grandma's makeup. Dab dab dab. Now I'm going to give myself a nose job. This is to make my nose look like a skinny legend like myself. This is the hardest part of doing my makeup, because I have to literally stop breathing so I could get this fucking line straight. Ugh. I nearly died there. Can't believe Grandma just sat there and watched me nearly go to heaven. Hashtag flat-nosed people problems. Ta-da. Using powder. Fuck. Now using the powder that you spilled on your lap. Make sure you gently tap the brush on your face, okay? Gently, you dumb bitch. Now I'm checking if my face is dry and powdered, and pray this foundation lasts. Amen. Now I'm baking my face with the same powder that I spilled. This time I spilled it on the floor. Don't forget to use powder foundation to sweep the remaining baking powder off. If you don't, this is what you'll look like. So y'all better motherfucking listen, okay? Now I'm going to contour my face so I don't look dead. If it's not grandma, it's my mom in the background. Sigh. Why do I contour, you ask? It's to make my face look smaller. Oh my garbage, it worked. The secret for contouring is to use a really fluffy brush to make it look blended. See, it looks so blended and soft. These beauty gurus don't even teach y'all that, they're all fake as fuck. So I'm putting blush on now so I look a little more friendly and less bitchy. Imagine being born with natural rosy cheeks, can't relate. Being ugly is a very expensive lifestyle. Like this Jeffree Star highlighter, for example, this is $23. If only my face had natural highlights, I could have saved money, but it's worth it though. OMG, that looks like piss. But this is a setting spray that I made from scratch by mixing black tea and glycerin together. Time to do the eyes. Finally, we're almost finished with this because I am sick and tired of typing this voiceover. I was thinking about paying someone to do this for me, but I'm broke as fuck. Anyways, I'm using this pink shade because I'm a basic bitch. Then I'm going to use this brown shade to cover up the fact that I'm still a basic bitch. Yas. Keep blending it until it looks cute. Eyeshadow ain't cute if it's not blended, okay KKK. Oh no, she's back. Now I'm using a concealer. Wait, what's a concealer? Google Translate doesn't know how to pronounce concealer. What a dumbass. I'm using a glitter glue made for glitter makeup only. Don't be using Elmer's glue for this. This ain't arts and craft beach, you're gonna lose your eyes. It needs to be a makeup glue specifically. Time for the fun part. Actually, this wasn't that fun because I got some glitter stuck in my eyes. This glitter kinda looks whack. I don't know. What do y'all think? Well, that was a pain in the ass. I'll be doing the lashes off camera because that's too hard. Now I'm using Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. I can't really see it from here, let me try zooming in. My god, that looks terrifying. That's what your food sees before you start eating it. Okay, this is a bad idea. Let me zoom out. Okay, I'll be doing my hair next, so I'll be right back. Ew, I'm eating my hair. Yas slay. So that concludes the video for today. I hope y'all liked it. It's been a while since I did a cut crease, so sorry if it looks whack. And this is how it looked on the sun. Okay, I'm posing too much anyways. Thanks y'all for watching.
Oh my god, they all ditched me.
you bitch! I swear to God. Oh, you scared the shit out of me. I'm gonna shove my whole toe up your bitch.
I know. I knew it. I'm so sorry.